Ever wondered how to make your own viral TikTok videos? Welcome to a journey into the world of TikTok, where we'll dive into a comprehensive guide titled Making TikTok Videos. Penned by the insightful duo Joe Gagliese and Brendan Gahan, this book serves as a roadmap for anyone with an appetite for creating captivating TikTok videos. It's packed with practical advice, valuable insights, and nifty tips that can help you master the art of TikTok video creation. Stay tuned to discover the insights this book offers on creating engaging TikTok. So, don't go anywhere. Keep watching, and let's unlock the secrets to viral TikTok videos together. So, what exactly is TikTok and why is it so popular, you may ask? Well, TikTok is a social media platform that has taken the world by storm, particularly among Generation Z. It's a space where creativity, self-expression, and a dash of spontaneity reign supreme. This platform offers unique features like the For You page, which serves users a smorgasbord of new and interesting content, tailored to their interests, thanks to its intuitive algorithm. But let's address the elephant in the room. There are some misconceptions about TikTok. It's not just a mindless scroll fest or a breeding ground for viral dance challenges. It's a powerful creative outlet that can be leveraged for storytelling, connection, and even education. The authors, Joe Gagliese and Brendan Gahan, do a fantastic job of unpacking this in Making TikTok Videos, providing a clear roadmap to navigate the TikTok terrain. With a good understanding of what TikTok is, we can now dive into the nitty-gritty of making a successful TikTok video. What does it take to make a successful TikTok video? This is a question that our authors, Joe Gagliese and Brendan Gahan, address in the second part of their insightful book, Making TikTok Videos. Creating a successful TikTok video is not just about point and shoot. It's a process that requires thoughtful planning, precise shooting, and careful editing. The authors stress that the first step towards making an engaging video is to plan your content. What story do you want to tell? What's the message you want to convey? Once you have a clear idea, it's time to get to the fun part: shooting. Your shooting technique can make or break your TikTok video. It's not just about capturing the right angles or getting the perfect lighting. It's also about adding your unique touch that sets your content apart from the rest. The book guides you on how to utilize various camera effects and editing tools available on the platform to enhance your videos and make them more engaging. But what's a TikTok video without some fun and trending music, right? Gagliese and Gahan emphasize the importance of leveraging trending challenges and popular sounds in your videos. This not only increases your chances of being discovered, but also makes your content more relatable and enjoyable to your audience. However, the most crucial element in making a successful TikTok video, according to our authors, is authenticity. The TikTok community appreciates originality and values genuine content. It's about embracing your individuality and letting your personality shine through your videos. Storytelling is another significant aspect highlighted in the book. A good TikTok video tells a story, whether it's a funny anecdote, a life lesson, or a simple daily routine. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience. Content that they can relate to and enjoy. Now that you know the secrets of making a successful TikTok video, what's next? Scene script. How can you maximize your impact on TikTok? The final portion of Making TikTok Videos dives deep into strategies for boosting your follower count and engagement. Gagliese and Gahan emphasize that resonance with your audience is key. This doesn't mean simply following trends or mimicking popular creators. Instead, it's about understanding your audience, their interests and needs, and creating content that speaks directly to them. The authors also underscore the importance of individuality. TikTok is a platform that celebrates uniqueness and creativity. So, don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your videos. Authenticity can set you apart from the crowd and help you build a loyal, engaged following. Moreover, the book encourages consistency. Regular posting not only helps you stay in the algorithm's good graces, but also keeps your audience coming back for more. Remember, your creativity is the limit. So get the book, apply these strategies, and start making your mark on TikTok. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.